Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to implement a program which states that print anything without using any semicolon. And I am going to implement this program using C language, and I am going to implement this on online compiler. So and my online compiler is on onlinegdb.com. So here is my compiler, and I'm going to change the language from Java to C. So here it is, and now I am going to just write about my program, that is write anything without using any semicolon. Okay, so by default we are given that this much amount of code, but we are not going to use most of them, because as we can see that printf hello world is having a semicolon in the last, and the return zero statement as well having semicolon in the last. So I'm just going to remove this, right now. As I have removed the return statement, so I'm not going to use int, so I'm just replacing it with void. Void main indicates that the main function will not return any value, and we can use void main whenever our program is simple and it is not going to terminate before the last line of the code executed. Okay, so now going forward with my next line of my program. So it is if printf double quotation ram. Okay, and then the block of if statement. If a statement basically allows you to control if a program enters a section of code or not based on the condition is true or false. So condition here is written inside this small bracket. Okay, so whenever the condition is false, then the code inside this will not be executed, but whenever the condition will be true, then only the code inside this block will be executed. Okay, so now as we can see that printf ram is not looking conditional or anything else. So as we can see that it can be treated as an expression. Why? Just think about this statement, that is printf %d. Okay, and then printf ram. Okay, so here as we can see that we are using the format specifier, that is %d, so it will always return an integer value. Okay, so as we can see that here in printf ram we are not having any type of integer. Okay, so how it is going to print an integer? So printf functions always returns the number of characters that has been printed by it. Like in ram we are having three characters, that is ram, and if we replace it with something else like India, okay, then here we are having 5 characters. So whenever this line will be executed, it will print 5. Okay, so this idea we are going to use in if statement. So I'm just going to remove it or let it be, and then as we can see that this program will printf ram will be removed with 3. Okay, and as we know that 3 is a non-zero number and it will always be true, so this program is going to be executed, and the execution will be followed to the if block also. Okay, so I'm just going to write it again. So this is now completely okay. So now as we can see that I have not written anything inside the if block, because I have not allowed to use any semicolon. So I am going to leave it as it is, and we will check if we are getting our output as per our requirement or not. So I'm going to just click here on run, and then if then check if we are getting or not. Okay, so yeah, here it is. So it is printing RAM, and as we can see that we have not used any semicolon here. Okay, so this is all about my program. So please like and subscribe. Thank you.